Hello everyone and welcome to 0xa00f4243 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the common issue where your camera is reported as being used by another application, even when you do not think it is. And now, let's get started. The error stating that your camera is being used by another application can be quite frustrating. It primarily occurs because only one application can actively use the camera at any given moment. If you attempt to use your camera in multiple programs simultaneously, such as the Camera app and Microsoft Teams, this conflict will arise. The most straightforward solution in such cases is to close the application that is currently utilizing the camera. If this does not resolve the problem, a simple restart of your computer often does the trick. To do this, right-click on the Start button, choose Shutdown or Sign Out, and then select Restart. However, there are instances where a background application might be using your camera without your knowledge. To address this, we can utilize the System Configuration tool. Begin by searching for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open it. Once the System Configuration window appears, navigate to the Services tab. Here, you will see a checkbox labeled Hide All Microsoft Services. Make sure this box is checked. Then, look for any other services that are currently enabled. If you find any, click on the Disable All button. After that, click Apply, then OK, and finally restart your computer. This process will temporarily disable non-essential background services, which can help identify and resolve conflicts with your camera. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.